Minister wa Kariabwande neno bangane bwa thirikari cha matura Kipchumba Murkomen tukuya narua na riungite skuru ya kuritana maabisa babori virere lima kinyandene ya wodi ya Mwathi Gembe North. Murkomen akiruguria skuru ije augite gatetheria kwa moritani makurutu baraba gatetheria kurikithia ukaria ajande gorone gikundi kia mbere kia makurutu ngirijire bakirigirwa kwithira bakiamukira moritani jao ntereje ne arakinya augite bagatetheria nkuruki gukandana na maitha jaria jethirite jakianga ikia rithi na kari Bamero. Edwin Gatobo no ina ripoti je.
Andamanite na munene wa borisi nthigurune ya Kenya Douglas Kanja, munini wa rutero borisi baipi Gilbert Masangeri, waziri wa Kariabwande Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen na kinyete nterechi alima kinya wondi ya Mwathi Gembe North kiri kuruguria moritani kampeni njero ya makurutu ba borisi baipi ntereu akure makurutu nguruki ngirije bamberite moritani ya kiuga ithuganya riri ambaririe kiri karobia njukwala usaramare ya bageto county ajuga jotu imwamberio.
Kenyans were saying, instead of training our officers only in Nairobi, in Embakasi, or in Kiganjo, and leaving them to complete their training there, it was necessary that we have a proper field training where it matters most and where there are real security challenges, where the graduates will actually spend their time providing proper security to the Republic of Kenya. We listened. That is why today we are opening the Lee Security Camp as a result of the views of the people of Kenya that our officers must be trained.
Nikambiri giri gutethire kinye kiri kurwana wamba bwandithia meankene ya Meru onde kinya kambingi ya borisi baka wende irigiri kurugura kilomita inkai yake kuma Antwaja ntereche Gombe atongire bakesiasa kuma Meru areongabana mutumantu ethinkia na mubunge Julius Taitumu bakigwata untubu mbaru anene.
We are going to support you, waziri, kwa zile kazi, the functions zenye county government inatakiwa kufanya. We are going to do it even more to ensure that we attract many programs like this in this region, kwa sababu tunajua security ikiwa area hii, watu wetu watapata pesa, wakulima watavuna katika mashamba yao, wale ambao wanafuga ng'ombe ambao ndio economic backbone ya hii area, hatutakuwa na ukosefu wa wealth ambayo ni wa Meru. Mimi nitafanya yangu kidogo kama county government, kama vile tumechimba barabara hapa kuhakikisha the accessibility ya kufika katika training college hapa, tutaendelea kufanya hivyo. Kama vile tumechimba borehole katika area hii.
We are happy as a community, and on behalf of this community, Bwana Waziri, we are very grateful. Take our sincere thanks to His Excellency na umwambie tumefurahia ili tunda kuwa katika hili jimbo bunge. We are aware another training camp for Kenya Police Service is about to be born in this area, and we will be happy, and we are happy that that dream will be actualized soon.
Bungi bunene bore bugweti mambure na jai manto jege no tumiri boy kundi bibithuku bya kwangaratania manto jake siasa na kureta winyangia. Waziri Murkomen agitumiri kurwana bona njira chionthe.
Tutanyorosha guns mpaka sponsors yao watalia machozi, especially wajiokoe saa hizi kabla hawa recruits wajatoka na hii nguvu yote wako nayo. Wangepata nyinyi watabona kweli? Mko tayari kunyorosha hii wakora? Yes, sasa wacha niwapatie warning. Unajua wamezoea wale wamechoka kidogo walikuwa zamani. Nyinyi na hii moto yote wataona moto sana.
Antonio Ndoto Chaweru TV kuma Gembe North ni Edwin Gatobu.